Hello students! Today we're going to do a little bit of singing, so just in case you're not ready, let's do a few warm-up sounds just to get our voice ready for some good, clear tone singing. Not too hard, just light and easy, and we got to use lots of air, so we'll get our breathing involved here as well. I'll make a sound and you can copy it back at home. How about a big sigh like you just woke up? Ah! Go ahead. Or how about yummy? Or high squeaky voice? Low voice. Let's try some little scale sounds. Try this. Ah, ah. Or let's change the vowel. How about ooh, ooh? Or how about eh, eh. Different vowels make different shapes with our mouth, and so you have to make sure you get the right mouth shape. Now today for our singing, we're going to need to take a look at this solfege ladder. Solfege is a special word that's only used in music. I've never heard it used anywhere else, but it means the different steps of the scale that you might hear, like do, re, mi. Now, take a look at this ladder here really quick. Can you count how many steps this ladder has on it? Now, most people count 7 right away, but don't forget, the ground is a step. You got to start somewhere. So if you count the ground, how many steps are there then? I see 8 steps. Is that what you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, before I do anything else, check out those different steps. Are all of them the same, or are some of them wider or narrower than each other? Yeah, it looks like 3 to 4 is a smaller step and 7 to 8 is a smaller step. Don't worry about why right now, but I just wanted to point that out. All right, step 1 down there is the bottom of our scale of our solfege, which is do. Now, it looks like do, but in music it said do, so make sure you say do. And then step 2, do you know what that would be? I mentioned it earlier. That's re. Yeah, and just like it's not do, this isn't re, it's re. So we've got do, re, and what's step 3? Mi, that's right. And what about step 4? You might know, you might not. Did you get fa? That's step 4. Step 5 is so. Step 6 is la. Step 7 is ti. And step 8, it goes back to do. But it's high do, so it's got that little mark by it to show high. How many of you knew that? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's our scale, and the words that we're singing when we do that is solfege. By the way, there's also hand signs that go with each of these. Let's practice these and check them out really quick in case you're not familiar with them. Show me do. It's just a fist down kind of low. You can do one hand or 2 hands. Re, show me that. Your fingers are angling up. Show me mi. Mi is flat hands. Show me fa. That's thumbs down. Show me so. That's looking at the palms of your hands, kind of like maybe you're reading a magazine. All right, show me la. It's almost like you're pinching something with your fingers. And now show me ti, pointing up. And high do, same as low do. Just up higher instead of down here. By the way, you might be familiar with our solfege words and our steps of the scale if you've ever watched the play or the movie called The Sound of Music. It's a musical play and it's about a music teacher, and so in these pictures, Julie Andrews is teaching the kids how to sing the steps of the scale. You might know the song. Do, a deer, a female deer, re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, the name I call myself, fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, la, a note to follow, so. Ti, a drink with jam and bread, and that brings us back to do. Have you ever heard that? She's using mnemonic words to help them learn it, like do, a deer, get it? All right, back to our ladder. Now, we're not going to use all of our ladders today. We're just going to focus on a couple of them and sing some different patterns with them. So let's take all the ones we don't need away, and what are we left with? We've got mi, so, and la. Now check them out really quick. Which one's the lowest one? That's right, mi. Which one's the highest one we've got up there? La. Which one's right in the middle? That'd be so. Which two are closest together? Yeah, so and la are close together. What about so and mi? Are they a little further apart? Yeah, because we had one step in between that we're skipping today. All right, since we've checked out our ladder and we've warmed up our voices, let's try to sing some patterns. I'll sing one and use the hand signs, and you can copy it back and watch the ladder there as it goes so that you can follow whether it's moving up, down, or staying the same. My turn. Try. So, so, mi, mi. Don't forget to use your hand signs. You can use one hand if you want, but try it out. And don't forget light and easy singing, lots of air for a good clear tone. Try. So, mi, so, mi. Or how about so, la, so. Or we could do mi, so, mi, so. Or try this one. Mi, so, la. That went from low to high. Let's try high to low. La, so, mi. Or we could jump back and forth. So, la, so, mi. Nice. Or here's my favorite one. So, la, mi. That's my favorite because it sounds like salami. Yum!